What's up, everyone? I'm Kelly Hart. Behind me, we have the beautiful Sherman Oaks. And to show me around, we're gonna have the one and only Sean Malto. Torey! That was tight, dog. This is In the Cuts, presented by Doordash. Sean's gonna give us a tour and show us all the spots, restaurants, and cafes that make Sherman Oaks so rad. It's a nice ass door. What up, dude?
What up, Kelly?
What's good?
How you doing? COVID safe?
Yeah.
All right, I'm tested this morning.
Hey, you look healthy.
I need to get coffee, but since we're running out of time, you want a DoorDash breakfast burritos? And then we could skate to the coffee shop and try to beat them before we get back.
I like that.
We have 26 minutes to grab coffee.
26 minutes. Have you done this before? In 26
I've never
minutes.
been on a shot clock like this.
All right, well, we better get going, dude.
All right, let's go. Tuna, come on.
I grew up watching all these skate videos, and there's so many epic spots around here.
There's so many skate spots. The whole valley is like a skate park. Yeah, thank you. See the bump to rep?
Oh!
That's the one Torey Smith grinded.
No way!
Valley is filled with stuff like this.
Oh
They
my
beat
God,
us to the
yo.
coffee shop. No, that's not for you, Tuna.
I'm looking forward to you showing me around town.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Dump
exactly.
truck.
That's the one thing about the valley. It's pretty spread out, so you kind of got to drive.
Oh, yeah. Isn't this technically the oldest skate shop ever to exist?
This place started in like 1962.
They invented skateboarding.
They invented it.
I'm gonna go warm up, skate some flat.
I'll meet you out there.
Who's got the Hart flip first? I'm gonna put my money on this guy.
I'm gonna put my money on this guy. I'm just kidding.
Oh my
That's why
gosh.
you came out here to practice when I was setting up a board. You're trying to embarrass me. Oh! 60 years of that.
Oh, that's how you warm up.
Let's hit the first spot.
Show me the way, bro.
I got you.
I'm here for the ride.
You want to check something out?
Oh,
Look
we
at
got a
this
spot? Dude.
Oh, they knobbed it.
Dude, that thing is insane.
Yeah. Kelly and I are all like, damn it, they knobbed the ledge.
Oh, yeah, this rail.
Yeah, you've seen it.
I've definitely seen this rail.
This is definitely one of the more famous spots.
You gonna do anything right now?
No. Actually, there's a ledge spot that people don't really skate that much in the front. We should go there.
Let's go and do that,
Yeah.
dude. These things are buttery, dude.
This is like the best ledge in the world.
That was nice.
Yeah, thanks. This is fun. The 10 stair is real.
Are there any other pros that live around the zone?
P-Rod, Mike Mo, Shane O'Neill. Torey does live in this neighborhood. Should we do a drive-by at
Let's
Torey's
go
house?
ding-dong ditch him.
And then if we really want to get cutty,
Oh, this is the spot that Mason did the hard flip on.
he's literally building a fence in front of the fence.
I wonder what other spots are gonna knob for us today.
I don't know. Now I'm scared to take you guys to things.
Oh, no way,
Yeah.
dude. I mean, you could get sacked at the end, I guess.
You know, sack it.
If you sack it, man, it's a good clip.
The spot's like a skate park. You've seen footage here.
Yeah, you know,
like,
I was just tripping, I'm walking up, like, yeah,
It's amazing.
I see it in every single video now.
This is so sick that a lot of people don't even know about all the other stuff behind it. This would be the best spot in Kansas City. The valley, it's like people don't even look at it. Let's try to skate it. Let's just grab some food and then head to Manny's.
I'm down, dude.
Look at this. This place is amazing. The valley, where pro skaters have skate parks in their backyard.
Hey, Sean, thanks for showing me around your local spots. Great day, great food, great skate spots everywhere.
Fun day. Thanks for coming out. Let's eat this food.